minutes away from the jump of the U.S. Navy Leapfrogs. If you look high at...
It gives me great pleasure to present your United States Navy parachute team, the Leapfrogs. Please direct your attention skyward. You see a trail of smoke coming from the aircraft indicating our jumper is about to exit from 5,000 feet above the ground. All right. As they lay out, each jumper reach back and manage the board, through goes and canopy. Each jumper deploys with parachute at a different altitude to ensure the vertical separation for a safe opening. Performing a hanging smoke. The smoke cannons being used today give our jumpers the ability to demonstrate aerial maneuverability under canopy. Looking high to the left of show center, it would appear that canopy is a double tank, but that is not the case. Our jumpers are actually performing a faster dynamic called canopy relative work. You see two jumpers have already closed each other. The lower jumper find his canopy on the top jumper. Down the suspension lines. Once he reaches the bottom jumper, the top jumper will hook his feet towards the left and right, so he should be standing on his shoulder. This will make his stomach flat. As the hook is going big, it becomes a 3-stack. Watch the lower jumper in our 3-stack. He is going to invert his canopy so he's actually hanging upside down. This will make your stomach drag. Once the pilot steers the boat over its show center, he will release the bottom two jumpers. They'll then drop the canopy slow ground and move forward down, flying toward the earth at 70 miles per hour. Oh, that great looks very high. To done drop with a smoke cannon actually used in the field by Navy SEALs as a way to visually communicate. As far as we see a drag train formation, our bottom jumper is inverted and hanging upside down. Toward the earth at 70 miles per hour. Let's walk away on Printmaster Silver. Please, raise your voice. Keep your flag going. Navy SEALs look to exit various aircraft with weapon that contain their mission essential equipment, as well as the assault rifle or sniper rifle and optical system for high altitude jumps. Our next jumper is straight out from Victor Maldonado, presenting the Don't Tread on Me flag. Let's give it up for straight out from Victor Maldonado. When jumping from 30,000 feet, SEALs can, if required, travel more than 75 miles under canopy to reach their target. Our next jumper with the smoke bracket, straight out the rim, Peter. They train extensively tactical jumping, providing the capability to penetrate enemy lines virtually undetected. Although your watches operate in daylight, SEALs practice will conduct their mission under cover of darkness, over land or sea, to defend our way of life. And our last jumper, Lieutenant Dr. Hamilton, flying number 6 flag. In honor of the late greatest pilot, Captain Jeff Coots. Give a big hand, Lieutenant Dr. Hamilton. For more information about the U.S. Navy parachute team, please visit our Facebook page at facebook.com/leapfrog. On our page, you'll find camera cast footage of our jumps, fun facts about our team members, photos of today's event, as well as our latest schedule. Facebook.com/leapfrog. We can also be found on the web at the address leapfrog.team. If you think you have motivation to become a Navy SEAL or you have to do first, visit your website sealswcc.com. That's SEALSWCC.com. Ladies and gentlemen, one last time, let's give it up for your U.S. Navy parachute team, the Leapfrogs.
Ladies and gentlemen, and a nice round of applause from my buddy Pai Young Yi. Pai, nice job, my friend. Good to see you, partner. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before I turn it back over to Danny.